Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to recover a deleted Gmail account. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, you've accidentally deleted a Gmail account or you've had second thoughts of deleting it, so you want to recover it. So what you need to do is open up a web browser and then type in recover deleted Gmail account. And then from here, you want to click on recover a recently deleted Google account, i.e. Gmail account. And then from here, you can have a read of this, or you can just go to follow these steps to recover your account. So I'm going to open a new tab here. All right, so now you want to add in that Google account, Gmail account that's been deleted. So I'll go ahead and do that now. All right, I want to recover this email account. And it says here this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Depending how many days or weeks, months your account has been deleted for, might be more difficult. So if you've only recently deleted within 30 days, it'd be a lot easier than trying to recover something about a year or two old. Alright, so I'm going to click on next. Put in your password. Alright, password's been added in. I'm going to click on next. Wait for it to load. Success. You've undeleted your account. You entered your current password so you can continue to your Google account. You can still change your password if you want, change password if you like, or click on continue. But yeah, that's how you recover deleted Gmail Google account. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.